Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm doing a wig review. So this wig was actually sent to me by this company called Wiggins hair. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install this glueless wig. It's so quick and easy, you guys. So in the box, they sent me some 3D eyelashes. You guys know how much I'm obsessed with lashes. And the Wiggins lace headband and the edge control brush. And they also sent over some wig caps, so this was 2 wig caps. So I got my cap size in medium. This was like the perfect measurement for me. Because it's a glueless wig, you want to make sure that the wig cap fits perfectly so the wig doesn't fall off or anything like that. So medium for me was perfect. They have small, medium and large sizes available, and I got this in 24 inches. And this is what the hairline looks like, you guys, straight out the box. You guys cannot tell me that this does not look absolutely flawless. I was so shocked at the fact that it's a pre-cut lace. I've never heard of that before. This was the first time I've ever tried that. And when I tell you, I would have never got this lace this perfect at all. It's pre-plucked for you guys. The knots are bleached already. And as you guys can see, the knots are very small and visible. So it's absolutely stunning. This wig is definitely beginner friendly, you guys. You literally don't have to do anything. You just put it on your head and you're good to go. You guys are literally going to watch me do that. It's the easiest wig install I've ever done. So yeah, I highly recommend this for someone that's never installed a wig before. And just look at these curls, you guys. This is what they look like straight out the box. The most bounciest curls I have ever seen. It's so nice, and the hair feels so soft as well. And I didn't get any shedding on this hair at all. Like, it's so nice. So this is what the cap construction looks like. As you guys can see, it comes with this band that's got this grip on it. So this grip is really great for glueless wigs because it means that the wig is not going to come off, you guys. When I tell you my wig was so secure because of this band, it really does its thing. So it's adjustable as well. You can make it tighter or you can make it looser. So that is really handy. Okay, so firstly, I put the wig cap on and then I literally just position the wig onto my head so it's nice and snug. I just make sure that the band is nice and tight onto my head so that the wig doesn't slide off. But it is so secure, you guys. And I just want to take a moment to show you guys how perfect this lace match is. Like, I didn't even have to put makeup on it or anything. Usually I have to put powder on wigs, but you guys, look at this perfect match. It was just so stunning. They definitely did such a good job at plucking the lace because it's such a natural hairline. I really do struggle to pluck myself, so the fact that this is pre-plucked was literally amazing for me. So now I want to make my parting a little bit flatter. So to do this, I'm basically going to use my hot comb and just kind of run this along my parting. It's just the parting, and this will make it a little bit flatter. So then I'm going in with a wide tooth comb just to basically brush out the curls. As you guys can see, as I'm brushing out the curls, they are maintaining their bounce and the volume. So that's why I'm saying this hair is stunning, you guys. I just like the bouncy look and I just like the volumizing look. That's why I comb it out. So then I'm using the tiniest bit of hair mousse to lay down my edges on the sides. This just gives it a bit more of a natural look and just secures the edges a little bit more on the sides. However, you don't need to do this part. This part's completely optional. The wig is secure without it, but this is just me just wanting to just be extra basically. So yeah, I'm just using the tiniest bit of hair mousse and then I'm securing it with the Wiggins hair band, just as you guys can see on here. And this is the final look. As you guys can see, very natural looking. And that's literally all I did to this wig, you guys. I didn't do nothing else. This can take literally seconds. So yeah, definitely the most easiest wig I've ever done. And as you guys can see here, completely 100% glueless. So yeah, this is how it's looking, you guys. And I want to show you the sides as well. This is what the sides look like. So you guys can see, completely natural looking. Even without the edges, it doesn't even need it. So guys, I would definitely say that this wig is definitely a 10 out of 10. And that's basically the end of the video, you guys. That's the end of the hair install. I do want to give you guys just another look at it because I just need everyone to purchase this wig. This is what it looks like from behind as well. This is what the curls look like. And these curls stayed like this for a few days, you guys. They didn't even loosen. So yeah, I was completely obsessed. It just made it so much easier for me to put the wig on and get out the door. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you check in my description box, you'll find the link to this wig and all the information about this wig as well, and some other recommendations that I have on the Wiggins hair website. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much also Wiggins for sponsoring this video. I am super grateful. This has been literally my favorite wig install, the easiest wig install I've ever done. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I will catch you on my next video. Bye.